The basic flexion resistance affects the flexion behavior of a MyMode. If the slider is set to 0, there is no resistance in the flexion direction, as in the cycling mode. With a value of 200, the knee joint locks against flexion.